this video. In this video, I will show you on how to schedule message sent in Google Message app. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Google Message app. After open up your Google Message app, go ahead and select a particular contact that you want to send message to. So I'm going to select this contact right here. Let's say, for instance, I go ahead and type how are you doing. Okay, so after typing our message, how are we going to schedule the message? Click on this plus sign right here and take you to this particular options right here. Go ahead and click on schedule send. So here we can decide to send any time of our choice. We can also go ahead and set pick date and time. You can click on pick date and time. We can decide to send this message next day and click on next right here, and we can choose the time at which we want to send this particular message. So I can decide to send it 12 p.m. just like so and hit on set. So right here, create or alter a scheduled send message. Give messages access to alarm and reminder. Click on OK. Then we are done. Then we can turn on this particular setting right here. Okay. Now you have the setting to be updated right here. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and hit on send, and we have it updated right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this on how best to use your Google Message app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.